Have you ever met someone who just lights up the room? I'm not talking about the most attractive or the smartest person there, but there's just something about them. You can't quite describe it, but you feel it. That's charisma. And here's the big secret. It isn't magic. It isn't something you're either born with or not. Science says charisma is a skill. It's a set of behaviors. And today, I'll show you how to unlock it. 4 simple hacks you can use right now. Let's break charisma down. Researchers say charisma has 3 pillars: presence, power, and warmth. Get these right, and you'll be that magnetic person everyone remembers. Let's start with presence. In today's world, presence is rare. Most people are half listening, half scrolling through their phones, thinking about dinner or the next thing on their to-do list. But true presence? It feels electric. Here's your first hack. The 2-second eye contact. When someone finishes speaking, don't glance away right away. Hold their gaze for 2 seconds longer than feels normal. It's a tiny shift, but it tells the other person, I see you, I'm with you. That feeling is addictive. Next up, warmth. This one's tricky. Power without warmth, you're intimidating. Warmth without power, you're forgettable. You need both, but warmth is the foundation. Here's the hack. Imagine the person you're talking to is an old friend. Before you say hello, picture them as someone you've missed for years. Your body relaxes. Your smile softens. Your eyes get warmer, even if you don't say a word. People can sense that energy. It puts them at ease. Now, let's talk power. Not the I'm the boss kind, but the I'm comfortable with myself kind. Here's your hack. The vocal pause. When you're nervous, you talk fast, trying to fill silences. But if you want to project confidence, pause before you answer. Count to 2. Then speak, a little slower than usual. It signals that your words matter, and people lean in to listen. And here's the final golden hack that ties it all together. The golden rule of charisma. People will forget what you said, they'll forget what you did, but they'll never forget how you made them feel. The most magnetic people, they're not the ones who try to impress you. They're the ones who are fascinated by you. Ask questions, listen deeply, make the other person feel smart, seen, and interesting. When you do that, they'll walk away thinking you are the most charismatic person in the room. Here's the bottom line. Charisma isn't about being a superhero, it's about making the people around you feel like superheroes. If you want to master social dynamics and unlock your own magnetic potential, hit subscribe to CurioExplains. You've got this. Go shine bright.